machine. And if I move forward, same, the device inventory option is available where I can find all the information regarding the HP components. And at last, the most important component is related with the storage. So when I talk about the storage, here an other important feature you need to understand about the server storage. Basically, when we want to purchase any HP server, so it come up with only a single storage controller. That single storage controller utilize for both volumes, for operating system volume and for the storage volume as well. Basically, on the enterprise server, we have two types of volume. The first volume on which we are going to install the server operating system, and the second volume is completely reserved for the implementation of virtual infrastructure. We can create more volumes, but generally in a minimum case, we have two volumes. So if we have a single controller which going to manage, monitor, implement, control all kinds of stuff regarding the both volumes, so there is a chance that performance is compromised. So that's why it's our core production server. So here you can see I connected two storage controllers on it. One storage controller is directly dedicated for server operating system volume, just to boost the operating system loading process, operating system to make the operating system performance more efficient. And in the same manner, the second storage controller is directly dedicated for the second volume, which is reserved for virtual infrastructure implementation. So by that way, my operating system performance will be perfect on the for the requirement of server infrastructure. And in the same manner, if I have 10, 20 or 30 virtual machines on my infrastructure on the second volume, so for that purpose, if a second storage controller is available, so it will definitely enhance all the features regarding the performance. So it's the second and most important option regarding the storage controllers whenever we are going with the implementation of any enterprise level data center server. So in the next session, we will definitely explore further options regarding the HPE.